Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong, an engaging tile-based game. To begin, gather 4 players and a Mahjong set, which typically includes 144 tiles. These tiles are divided into suits, honor tiles, and bonus tiles like flowers and seasons. The primary objective is to be the first player to form a complete Mahjong hand, consisting of 4 sets and 1 pair. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to achieve that winning hand. Let's delve into the Mahjong tiles. There are 3 main suits: bamboos, characters, and dots, each numbered 1 through 9. You'll also find honor tiles, which consist of 3 dragons, red, green, and white, and 4 winds: east, south, west, and north. Additionally, there are 8 bonus tiles, 4 flowers, and 4 seasons, which can enhance your score. Each specific tile, such as the red dragon or the 5 of bamboos, has 4 identical copies within the full set. Setting up the game is straightforward. Each of the 4 players builds a wall of tiles, 18 tiles long and 2 tiles high, totaling 36 tiles per wall. The dealer then breaks the wall and deals 13 tiles to each player, keeping 14 for themselves. The game progresses counterclockwise, with players drawing 1 tile from the wall and then discarding 1 tile. You can claim a discarded tile to form a pung of 3 identical tiles or a chow of 3 consecutive suit tiles. The ultimate goal is to achieve a Mahjong hand, which typically comprises 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be either a pung, 3 identical tiles, or a chow, 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. The final component is a pair, 2 identical tiles that complete your hand. Once you have successfully assembled these 4 sets and 1 pair, you declare Mahjong to win the round. Mastering these combinations is key to becoming a skilled player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.